Hey guys, in the previous tutorial about Substance Painter we created some PBR textures and I was asked how to use them in Blender. So let's see how to do this. Here's again the Substance Painter project and now we are going to export the PBR textures so that we can use them in Blender. Choose File, Export Textures, and I created a simple configuration to export to Blender. It contains the textures diffuse, normal, metallic and roughness. Here you can see them, very basic, and the normal map is defined as OpenGL, not DirectX. Okay, so I press this button and choose the folder to export into, and then I press Export. The size of the textures I keep at 2K. So let's open the folder that we exported into. And here we have the 4 textures: diffuse, metalness, roughness and the normal map. Alright, then I open Blender 2.8. Here's the model from the previous tutorial. I assigned a material to it that has a principled shader by default in Blender 2.8. And what I did to help you with the texturing process is to write an add-on. The add-on is called PTM, which stands for PBR Texturing Mapper, and the only thing you have to do now is to drag the textures into the shader editor, and once they are added, you go to the PTM tab in the shader editor and press the button Map Textures. And look at this, what happens. All the inputs and outputs got connected, a new normal map node is added, and on the left side in the 3D view the model is updated. I know that the add-on Node Wrangler already has this functionality or even a more complex and perhaps better one, but currently it is not supported for Blender 2.8, so I was writing my own one. And as always, I uploaded this to my GitHub and you can get it from there for free. Here's the page, just click on the download button and download the zip file. Then you can install the add-on from File in the user preferences. The zip file also contains the Blender project with the hard surface model and the PBR textures. So guys, I really hope you find this useful and interesting, and if you do, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to support me, then think about being my patron. This would really help me to create more tutorials and software like this add-on. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and I see you on JNM.